It's a soggy day, Roland.
It has been a super soggy day. Just amazing to see how this low pressure center has been developing and moving right over the state. So the models were indicating yesterday that, yeah, it was going to be a pretty good storm, but when you get a record rainfall amount of 76/100ths of an inch of rain for us, that is a lot of rain, guys. And we are still seeing stormy conditions in the central mountains, where I'm anticipating that we're going to be getting a little bit of snow all the way across the Sawtooth Mountains. And here's the Doppler radar imagery showing the outer bands associated with Hurricane Michael. Again, the sustained winds are at 125 miles per hour, Category 3 storm, and the storm is going to continue to rotate on up right toward the Florida Panhandle through the night tonight and through much of the day tomorrow. In the meantime, closer to home, there you can see the counterclockwise rotation of this low that's moving right over the state. Boy, southeastern Idaho is getting the heavy rain. Look at this big band of rain that's out here in the Nevada desert that's headed toward northern Utah. They're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow in the mountains and foothills up there tonight and tomorrow. But we're going to continue to see occasional pockets of rain. The core, the heaviest and the steadiest rain that we had earlier this morning has shifted down to the south and to the east. This is cold, unstable air, and so with it, we get occasional rain showers. Let's see what the computer models are suggesting for tomorrow morning. There you can see a little patchy fog. The models are saying, watch out for that up and down the I-84 corridor. But all in all, I think it's going to be dry in the morning into the afternoon. Might be a little bit on the windy side with winds out of the northwest. It's going to make it feel cool. And then on Thursday, the high pressure really begins to settle in, and that's going to give us a gorgeous stretch of weather that easily sticks around through at least the end of the week and more than likely into the weekend. 47 degrees. That's as warm as it has been this afternoon, with winds out of the north now at about 17 miles per hour. Here's my projected high temperatures tomorrow. A very cool day at 55. Friday getting up to 61, but another dry front heads this way on Saturday and Sunday, and that will take our temperatures back down into the 50s once again. So as the low spins around, it's going to continue to move off toward the south and to the east. This is what's going to be our driving influence in our pattern here over the next few days. It's going to be the flow coming in right out of the north, and with a northerly flow, that is going to be a chilly flow. It's also going to be a dry flow. So we'll get to enjoy lots of sunshine, but temperature readings tomorrow with highs in the 50s and northwest winds at 15 miles per hour or so, it's going to feel a little bit colder than that. 7-day forecast for the valley will go with those temperatures in the 50s tomorrow, then we'll gradually warm it into the low 60s here by Thursday and Friday. Please note how dry the weather is going to be. This super soaker rain was really very, very nice and very beneficial. Really helped to water a lot of the lawns here in the area. And now what's going to happen is we're going to go into a dry spell here for the next 5 to 7 days. Temperatures this weekend in the mid to the upper 50s. So it's going to stay cooler than normal by about 10 degrees because of that north flow that's going to be in place as the high pressure begins to build in from the west. Up in the Long Valley, we're going to be seeing temperature readings tomorrow of about 46 degrees. Let's go with partly cloudy skies there. Scattered snow showers are going to continue for the Long Valley in areas right around 6,000 feet and points above. So with that, 46 degrees tomorrow. It's going to feel chilly on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For the most part, the pattern's going to stay dry. And we'll see some kind of a weak front that's going to slide by to the east of us across the Continental Divide on Saturday and Sunday, and that will reinforce the cool air that we've already seen. It will keep it cool up there, and the mountains may see just a few clouds from that on Saturday. But boy, it's amazing how we had a series of 3 fronts, 1, 2, 3, with the last one being today's front, and how strong it was because it was not just the front, but the low pressure center itself moved directly over the state. So it goes to show what can happen when you get an upper low that moves directly over the state. Whether you're on the left side or the right side of the low makes a big difference as to how much precipitation you get, and we were on the exact proper side of the low to really squeeze a lot of precipitation out over the Treasure Valley.
Yeah. It's kind of like priming the pump. Last week was priming the pump, getting it ready. It was practice. Now we got the real thing today.
You're right.
Thanks, Ron.
Okay.